Welcome back to A Country Boy Can Cook. Today, no cooking, well, kind of, sort of, coffee, but we're not making coffee. We're going to clean the coffee pot. It's electric percolator by Faberware. I think that's the name of it. It was my mother-in-law. She had it for many years. We use it every day. It makes great coffee, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's dirty inside. The basket needs clean. I mean, I can wipe it out, but it's stained from all the oils that are in the coffee. Same way with the basket that goes on top. The stem that percolates everything from. Even the bottom of the top. So let me show you how we're going to do this. Baking soda and white vinegar will be used. Two different processes. So what you want to do, you're going to use about a half a cup of baking soda, not baking powder. I've got about a fourth a cup. I'm going to put it in the bottom. Put the basket on top of the stem. I'm going to show you how I usually measure stuff. I can get pretty close. Need a half a cup to go in here. Another quarter cup to go in here. So is that close enough for boys and girls? That's close enough for me. Put the lid on. Then I'm going to go add water to this. I'll bring you back in a little bit after it's finished perking the first cycle. All right, got the lid on. I've got it to about here. That's where I perk my coffee in the mornings. This old cord is pretty short. Get the camera back here so you can see. I got to plug it in over here. So. And there she is. We're going to let this perk and do one cycle. I'll bring you back at the end of that. Can you hear it? Gurgling. Bring you back after it's through. I think it's cleaning. If you do this, put a towel under it. I'm not worried. I got metal countertops. I'll just wipe it up and the countertop will be clean because of the baking soda. There it goes. It just stopped. I'll let it cool down and I'll bring you back. All right, let's take the top off. It's still plenty warm enough. The top looks cleaner in here. Looks a little cleaner in there. Boy, the water looks terrible. That's a good thing. I'll see that dirty water. Let's look in here. Looks much better. Let's take a paper towel and wipe it out now. See if it loosened the grime. Oh my goodness, did it though. And you can buy commercial cleaners. They're $7 or $8 or $9. I'm just going to use the stuff I have on hand. All right, I wiped out the scale out of the inside. It was loose. You can see what came off. So let's put some vinegar in it. About a half a cup of vinegar. That'd be about a half a cup right there. Put the lid back on. She's plugged in. Let's see if the vinegar takes off the rest of the scale. when we had a drip percolator or a pod percolator, combination I should say, had a basket and all that, it would get clogged up with scale and stuff, and you were supposed to run vinegar through it to get the scale off. So I've been doing that to this percolator all along, and I would wipe it out and I would put Dawn dishwashing liquid in it and clean it, and I couldn't get any of the dark out of it until just a while ago, so that's helped a lot. We'll see here in a little bit. Now once I get through running this through, I got to run another pot of just water through it, rinse it, and I don't want my coffee tasting like pickles in the morning. Bring you back in a little bit. It's just to the end of the cycle. Let's get the lid off and check this thing. All right. Well, the top looks a little cleaner. Still a little warm. A little better. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. A little bit cleaner still. Let's see if it'll come clean if I wipe it out now. It's still a little dark in there. Let's see if it'll wipe out now. Hard for me to get my hand in there, but see if it comes out. Oh yeah, much better. It actually might be clean. And I've tried this with Dawn dishwashing liquid before. It just wouldn't cut through it. It's the first time I've ever tried the baking soda and vinegar in this type of coffee pot. Looks much better. It's got a little bit of darkness in there. The stem looks 100% better. Let's see what the inside of this will do. See that dark green right there at the edge? Oh yeah. Taking it off. One pass at a time, but it is taking it off. It definitely ate through the crust that was in there and built up. See at about the bottom of this. Much better. Well, let's look at this. Is it cleaner? It's hard to see in there. It's much better, I have to admit. Is it 100%? No. But it didn't cost me $10 to find out. I could probably do the baking soda one more round, or a couple more rounds. That box of baking soda is pennies. But I'm going to leave it, it's fine. I'm going to leave it just like this. Put some water in it, perk it out a couple of times before breakfast in the morning, and have my coffee. You know, I always say I keep my channels real. Did it take as much off as I thought it would? It's got just a little bit left in the bottom, but it's 90% cleaner, and it didn't cost me an arm and a leg. I think that cleaner's, it's $7 or $8 or $9 or something on Amazon. They've got several different brands. So am I happy the way it did? Yeah, you bet. Would I have been happier if it had got 100% out of it? Yeah, of course. But I think it did pretty good for the price. So, hope y'all like this video. You know, no cooking today. Just an old dude doing what an old dude does. Keeping it real. Keep on keeping on. See y'all in my next video.